Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of ichroma Cystatin C Test Kit. You can see here it's ichroma Cystatin C. Let me read it here. Its intended uses. Ichroma Cystatin C is a fluorescence immunoassay for the quantitative determination of cystatin C in human serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of renal disease. You can see the contents here: 25 cartridges, 25 detector tubes, 2 detector diluent, 1 ID chip and 1 insertion for use. This is made in Korea and it's an IVD certified, CE certified product. You can see the reference part number and also the standard expiry period here. I'll show you around the box. You can see it says ichroma Cystatin C. You can see it on the box. I can show you here. Let me open this box for you. You can see inside the box there is an IFE brochure. You can see an IFE brochure. It says ichroma Cystatin C. You can see the brochure. The brochure has all the key details to complete the test. It says about the principle, the components and the preparations of the test, how to conduct your test. So you have the complete procedures. You can see you have the complete procedure to conduct the test. You can see the test setup, test procedure, interpretation of the results. You have the complete details to conduct the test with this IFE brochure. And then you can see inside you have a ichroma detector tube. You have 25 pieces. You can see this here. This is how it looks. You can see ichroma Cystatin C detector tubes. The lot number and the expiry period is given here. And then you can see 2 bottles of diluent buffer. So here you can see this here. Ichroma Cystatin detector diluent. You have 2 bottles each. See this here. Keeping this here. Okay, then you got 25 cartridges. Let me put it here. You can see ichroma Cystatin 23. You have the lot number and also single cartridges in a pack. You can see the other side of the cartridge. Then you have an ID chip inside. You can see Cystatin C. The lot number is given. The lot number matches with all this total lot. You can see this here. Okay, this is the 25 test cartridges pack. So quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of ichromax from Boditech ichroma Cystatin C test kit, which is used in the Boditech mission. It's basically a FIA immunoanalyzer mission. If you look at here, this is a 25 test kit pack. In the 25 test kit pack, you get one IFE brochure and 25 pieces of detector tubes and 2 bottles of detector diluent and 25 cartridges and 1 ID chip. So how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.